A lot of people are having trouble getting Disney Plus on Roku, but today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. So imagine the fun of watching your favorite Disney shows and movies on your TV, but what happens when you can't find Disney Plus? It's frustrating, right? But guess what? You're just a few clicks away from fixing this problem. So here's what you can get. Here's how you can get Disney Plus on Roku. So first, make sure that your Roku device is up to date. You can do this by going to Settings and then System, and then finally Software Update, okay? Those are the steps. Next, you're gonna go to the Roku Channel Store. Type Disney Plus in the search bar and click on it when you find it. Then, add Disney Plus to your Roku by selecting Add Channel. Now, once you've added Disney Plus, sign in with your account and start streaming. Now, if it's not showing up, try restarting your Roku device. You can also check your internet connection, okay? Now, don't give up. Disney Plus is just around the corner. And if you like this video, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. For more videos like this, thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.